Angeles IKEA near Marquee Mall. So let's go and see. What they can have inside here. Or what it is. So. Yeah, let's see.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
How does it work? You also sell IKEA things here?
No, sir. This is just a collection point.
Collection, yeah.
You can buy online, then they will drop here.
Yeah.
Then we will contact you to pick up.
Ah, okay. So if you buy online,
Yeah.
you don't have any
Display,
things
sir.
for sale?
No, sir.
It's just people order and then they drop it here. And after that, you also have a possibility to pick up, or?
Sir?
To deliver. Can you deliver from here?
Yeah.
You can do.
Yeah.
How much is price, can say?
It depends on the area,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Like, for example, up to Malabinas.
I don't know the rate, sir.
Like 300, 400, 500 or
No, sir. I think it's
higher, a little higher, yeah. Yeah. So, but if you take that, maybe you can take a Grab taxi and just put it in.
Can.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, then we know. I thought it was like a showroom also. No.
Yeah, this is just a collection point.
Yeah.
Like a extension warehouse in Pampanga.
But everything IKEA sell, you can get it delivered here.
Yeah. Anything, sir. IKEA brand.
Yeah, but that's good to know. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
That's good also. Because you order it online and you can collect it here. So that's good. So it's no showroom. It's a pickup point. It's a pickup point here. Collection point. Yeah, but that's little improvement that they have that too. Maybe later they're gonna have it in Cebu also. Yeah. But maybe delivery is like 1 week or something like that. Because they need to do it on the ship. This looks like a concert area almost.
Yeah. But this one is...
This is new, huh? All this. Crabs and crack. And these are gonna be the new landers. They're gonna open here.
One?
Yeah. 400 peso only. Save 300 if you sign up now.
Membership.
It's already finished, I think, almost.
Yeah.
Or maybe not.
Yeah, it's almost.
Yeah, it must be, because if they want people to sign up, they must be able to sell things.
That's where the place where we do our this one.
Aha, the massage here.
Yeah. No, this one, the D.
D?
Yeah.
Aha.
Up there.
And that massage was 5,000, what you say, 4,000? We go and check.
No, that's 8.5.
8,500? Eh? My God. But you have a coupon, so you don't pay anything? No tip?
No.
Huh.
No,
You give 50 peso, 100?
100.
Oh, wow. So entrance is, no, it's not here. It's up there.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Oh. Do you want us to, we can have a coffee here maybe? You want to try, maybe you want a cold coffee? See how it tastes. No beer, better with a coffee. Huh? for me. And you?
Yeah.
2 hot coffee. With milk, please.
With milk, sir.
Yeah.
Dine-in or takeout?
We sit here. No.
Then milk, sir.
Okay. We take one.
Yeah.
We can share it. Huh? Okay. And 1 cake also.
Which cake,
That's
sir?
cookie. This one not cake.
Cookie, okay. 1 cookie for you.
What are your pastries, sir? What cake?
Eh?
What cake, sir?
No, this cookie.
1 chocolate chip, sir.
Exact.
Would you like anything else, sir?
It's fine.
That would be all. Your total would be 315, sir.
Yep.
Just give me 5.
Is this bean or is it? It's bean. Do you even have already grained?
Yes, sir.
You have?
If you want it to have it grind, sir, we have.
No, I was thinking if you can buy here also.
Yes, sir.
How much is it? 500 gram. How much is it when it's grind? 500 gram.
For the Arabica beans, the 500 grams would be 550.
550. Okay.
Then the Robusta would be 350.
Uh-huh.
Our signature blend,
This one. Yeah. Signature brand.
that's 500 pesos, and the premium blend would be 380 pesos.
Okay. Yeah, let's try now.
The one that we have, this one.
Yeah. Vietnamese.
Signature blend, sir, is the one that we use.
Okay.
Signature blend.
Yeah, signature. That you can make it, grain it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll just serve your treats along with the drinks.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Oiling drinks.
I was thinking I give 500.
Yes, sir.
You mean you give everything?
Yes, sir.
When we sit?
Yes,
Okay.